So hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another wig install, but this one is a quick one, 5 to 10 minute wig install. But yeah, this video is sponsored by Ayiyi here. The box is all like destroyed, but this is the company. I've worked with them before, so they're not new to my channel. But yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you guys what they sent to me inside the box. So they sent me this little package with, I think I got a next lash, but I don't know where it is. So they sent me these lashes. I think I got 2 of them. I just don't know where the next one is. They sent me baby hair comb, stocking cap, and I think this like head tie thingy and some clips. Ooh, that's cute. So yeah, this is the wig. This is how the curls are looking. I think I'm going to go ahead and wet it up a bit before I apply it on my head. And rub it up so it's pretty much fine. And all I have in this bottle is just water. I'm just gonna go ahead and rub my fingers through it. I'm going to add some curling pudding pretty much. And I'm gonna rub the hair up. I'm probably gonna do a little bit more when it's on my head, but I just want to do a little bit before I put it on.
Stay
So this is pretty much the final look. I had to do a little finessing with my hair because my hair kept getting like trashy, but you know, I mixed the curling enhancer with some gel, and I think that did the trick. But yeah, this is the wig. This is how it's looking. It actually looks like my real hair, no doubt. Like, it actually does. The hair is soft. Yeah, I like it. So yeah, once again I would like to thank Ayiyi here for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love it. The curls are giving, like, it's closer to my natural curls, to be honest. Once I added the gel, it's pretty much my natural curls, you know. Yeah, it's giving. So if you guys want to purchase this hair, the link will be in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Anything else that I might needed to add in this video will be down in the description box, so do not forget to check it out. And if there's a coupon code, it will be down there as well. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.